Need to put together a stunning, professional presentation, but have absolutely zero design experience? Don't panic. In this video, we're looking at Visme, an AI-powered content platform designed to help you create, manage, and scale your visual content faster than ever. Whether you need high-converting presentations, interactive infographics, or polished business documents, Visme is built to handle it all in one place. Visme is trusted by over 35 million leading companies and creators. It positions itself as an all-encompassing AI content system. Instead of jumping between 3 or 4 different design and writing tools, Visme lets you design, manage, and publish your business content from a single dashboard. You can start entirely for free, browse through professional templates, and let the AI do the heavy lifting to format, style, and structure your slides. So, what are the best features? First, the sheer variety. You aren't just limited to slideshows. You can create documents, data visualizations, social media graphics, videos, and even wireframes. Second, the collaboration tools are built for teams. You can work with your teammates in real time, keeping everyone aligned and on brand. And third, the AI capabilities help you generate branded visuals and interactive content without needing to hire an expensive designer. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. While we have limited external user reviews configured in our source today, we can look at real-world feedback from major organizations using the platform. On the positive side, users love the all-in-one nature of the tool. Representatives from major brands note that it saves them irreplaceable hours every month by keeping everything in one place. It makes quick designs look like they were made by a professional advertising firm. On the downside, because it is so feature-rich, spanning from animated ebooks to surveys, there might be a slight learning curve as you explore everything the platform has to offer. Our final verdict? If you want to elevate your business presentations and stop wasting hours wrestling with basic slideshow software, Visme is absolutely worth trying. It's built to make you look like a design pro, even if you're just starting out. Head over to visme.co to sign up for free and start building your next presentation today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let us know in the comments what you're planning to build first. See you in the next video.